Hello, welcome to VTV Learning. I am Vivek Tamlarasan. In today's video, I'm going to show how to subscribe to the Power BI report or dashboard. It is nothing but to send an automated email after the dashboard or report got refreshed. Let's begin. I'm here into the report, staff workover dashboard report, and towards the left, I have two pages. One is summary, and I just duplicated the same summary just to show a difference. Okay, in order to subscribe to the report, you need to click on this button, subscribe. Just click on it, and you will get a box like this. And here you need to click on create subscription. Once you click on the button, you have a list of boxes that needs to be updated. So first you need to name the subscription. So let it be summary, and you need to add the list of recipients who need to receive those emails. Okay, I just added my name. By default, it automatically adds your name. And attach full report. Here we don't have option to select, only premium users have options to select these fields. So let it be none. And schedule date and time. So how long would you like to send this automated email? It is starting from today till, okay, I'll just select till the end of this month. And whether how often you want to repeat the automated email, whether after data refresh or hourly, daily or weekly or monthly. So you have five different options, but ensure this is one single email. You won't be receiving multiple emails per day. So just one email after refresh or once in a day. So here if I select after data refresh once, only once a day, okay, and towards down you have more option. Just expand the button, and here you can configure your email. So let me configure like I've updated the message, and in the report page you have two options. It is nothing but the pages, whether you which page would you like to showcase in the body of the email or as an attachment, like that. So select the appropriate pages, and below you have three options. First option, you're giving permission to view the report in Power BI. It is nothing but when in the body of the email they will be having a link to directly access the Power BI report through browser. And second one, link to report, which will be included in the body of the email, and report page preview, whether the summary page to be displayed in the content, like that. So I have enabled everything. Let me click save. After saving the subscription, you have the send now option enabled. This is just to test whether you need to make any modifications to the email or not, like that. So just click on send now. You see a subscription has been sent. Let me navigate to my Outlook just to show the email. Yes, I have received the email. You see, the email has been received from Microsoft Power BI, no reply Power BI at Microsoft.com. And here you have the attachment of the summary page. Let me open it, and you would be able to see the complete page details. And in the body of the email, you see it is from the tab summary, and the message what I have typed over there, and you have the link to open the dashboard. And in the body of the email as well, you have the same image snapshot, and towards down you have the alert, whatever that we subscribed. So that just updated here. That's it. So this is the way you would be receiving an email after the schedule refresh got updated and based on the timing. Let me navigate to the page. So here I'm going to edit it once again. So in the repeat, you have the multiple options, right? Whether it is hourly. When you select hourly, you will be able to select which day the trigger of this subscription has to trigger, like that. So if you select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that, and you need to select the timing on which time it needs to be triggered. It is based on the refresh schedule. In my previous video, I have showed the schedule refresh, how to configure schedule refresh. So post scheduling the refresh, the email will be triggered automatically. Like that, we can configure. And you need to select the time, then the time zone. Then finally, once again, you need to click on save. And post that, it will be triggered automatically based on the respective schedule time and the date for the entire month from April 1st till 30th of April. Likewise, we have multiple options: daily, weekly, monthly. So based on that, you can select. In case if you want to add multiple subscription, yes, you can do it. You need to click on new subscription. In this, you see a subscription name has automatically updated to the page 2. So the subscription is based on page, whatever page that you have developed in your report or dashboard. Based on that, you can configure it. And here I have two tabs. One is summary and another one is duplicate of summary. And that is the name has been available in subscription name, and the recipient as usual my name, and you can include additional recipient as well. Similarly, let me select that till 14th. Then sure to select the appropriate page. And now I just remove this or disable the page preview and permission to view the report. Let it be like that. And I'll just disable the link to Power BI. Just save. So I have two subscription now. And if you want, you can click send now to test the email. In my case, I don't want to test it right now. Let me leave it. Let me refresh the dashboard and wait whether it triggers automatically or not. Before that, I'll just ensure what time I have selected. 11 p.m. Okay. Let me click on the workspace and ensure the scheduled refresh is happening around 11 p.m. So let me select 11 p.m. and apply. Okay, the schedule time has been updated. So once the refresh is done, we will be able to receive the email. Let's wait for it. The dashboard refresh has been completed. Let me navigate to the Outlook email. You can see we received an email like the second page duplicate of summary has been updated. And here I have disabled the link as well as the attachment of the image. I mean duplicate of summary page image. So those have been disabled here. We just have an update like the dashboard page 2 has been updated. That's it. So this is the way you need to configure the subscription. And if you want to manage all subscription together, just click on subscription and click on manage all, and it navigates you to the entire subscription list that was already configured to different reports or dashboards. Okay, so if you want to disable, you can disable it over here or enable, or you can edit it all in one page. All right, that's all for this video. I hope you all understood to configure the subscription. I would suggest you to give a try on your end and let me know in the comment. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thank you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.